Thank you, ma'am, for such a introduction. And on the onset of it, I would like to thank Dr. Nalwari and the organizing team for inviting me for for a topic which is very close to my heart as well. Now, I'll be talking on a natural GLP-1 agonist, which is the field grade system. It is combination of two kind of products. One is Unimate and one is the balance. So we all know that the class 1 obesity and weight regain after bariatric surgery is class 1 is defined as a BMI of 30 to 34.9, and the weight regain is a some issue that we all will be facing in the near future of keeping aside of whatever procedure we are choosing, whether it's a sleeve or a Roux-en-Y or a LTB or a sleeve thrust procedures, there has to be a weight regain in some percentage of our patients. Now, global obesity trends is that in India, the global obesity that since 1990, the adult obesity has doubled, and adolescent obesity is quadrupled, which is we are having about 2.5 billion population globally who are overweight. And amongst those, we have about 890 million people who are obese. In India, we have a total of approximately 70 million adults who are obese in a study in the Lancet in 2022. So, is pharmaceutical an answer? Because here everybody's been talking about semaglutide and Ozempic, Wegovy, Kilimanjaro. Are they an answer to us with the serious side effects which are documented? I mean, you can just Google which are really documented for thyroid, C-cell, and cancers, pancreatitis, gastroparesis, and 40% of lean mass lost, which is decreased muscle mass, which is a skeletal muscle mass, and decreased bone density. This I have not mentioned about the residual fat which comes, back after the use. So, what is the solution? Either we go the old way, whether we, follow diets like, calorie counting, keto, intermittent fasting, meal replacements, or else, some weight loss clinics like VNCC. Now, what do we do? How do we go about it? So the field grade system is I I personally feel it's a blessing for all surgeons and nutritionists and also probably physicians because of the two combinations of Unimate and the balance. It is specifically used for low BMI, experiencing weight regain, and post surgery clear liquid diet, where you can increase the glycemic control and lipid management, along with it. So key features. Now it is basically patented. Both of them are patented products, and the benefits are that it helps with glycemic control, lipid management, appetite regulation, and sustained post-operative energy. How does Unimate act? It raises 70% GLP-1 hormone. It decreases the food cravings. It provides a sustained energy throughout the day, improves mood, increases basal metabolic rate, increases efficacy of skeletal muscles, and prevents weight regain. What is Unimate? Unimate is an extract by yerba mate, a plant which is basically grown in South America. It is 375 times more potent than the regular plant itself because it's an extract. And the medical benefits of the same are the chlorogenic acid, which is found in Unimate. is more than coffee. So it has healthy blood pressure, healthy blood glucose, weight management. The theobromine, which is more than dark chocolate in Unimate, is a bronchodilator and a vasodilator, and a vasodilator. The saponins decrease the blood lipids, lowers the cancer risk, lowers the blood glucose response, influences the obesity-related fat metabolism. Balance uh, is a matrix of fiber which is soluble and insoluble fibers, and it has its own patented blend of five highly soluble fibers. It increases anxiety and reduces appetite. It prevents the insulin spike. It increases the leptin resistance, lowers the TG, improves your cholesterol. It decreases the LDL by 31% and increases the HDL by 29% and improves insulin sensitivity. This is a paper which was by the Cleveland Clinic, which clearly states that such a product, if taken regularly, could reduce cardiovascular risk on a population basis and potentially decrease the need and or dose for the lipid lowering prescription drugs. So this particular balance, which was earlier known as BIOS Life, had had been researched by the Cleveland Clinic in and now how does the balance work? It is basically blocking the reabsorption of cholesterol from the intestines. It the plant sterols, which blocks the absorption of cholesterol from the body, from the food. Then polypolysonol, which reduces the cholesterol production by the liver, and chrysanthemum, which enhances the enzymatic breakdown and helps to remove LDL cholesterol from the body. How to use these products now? It's a very simple protocol that Unimate, which is a natural GLP-1 agonist, has to be had early in the morning, which in a 500 ml of water, it could be had either hot or cold in the form of tea. And then balance is to be mixed in 250 ml of water just before lunch and just before dinner. This is my colleague, Dr. Sumer Chauhan. He is in the medical advisory board for University Toronto, and he was earlier suffering from high cholesterol, hypertension, pre-diabetic joint pain, and inflammation with a weight of 109 kg. And after 3.5 months, when he messaged me that this is what it is, so I thought I'll just use it, and he had introduced me to this particular product. And the science behind it is been completely studied by the BYU University, the University of Sydney, which is the hometown for the glycemic index, the Cleveland Clinic, the University of Nevada, Las Vegas, Columbia University, and he is Dr. Benjamin Bickman, who is a renowned metabolic scientist, who is also, been studying this product for a while now, and his studies are backing up this product. It is all 70 products of Unicity, including the free grade system, which is a combination of Unimate and Balance, are listed in the physician desk referral. It is FDA regulated because it is not a pharmaceutical. It does not need FDA approval. It is FDA regulated and it's NSF certified. And whereas Zach Peters, a two-time ultramarathon world record holder, uses Unimate. Shaquille O'Neal, a basketball player, and Vlad Guerrero in the baseball team. Messi and Ronaldo are drinking yerba mate, and Unimate is a yerba mate extract. How does it differ from Herbalife? Now, Herbalife versus field-based system. Herbalife is not standardized, whereas field-based system is standardized. Herbalife is hepatotoxic, and field-based system improves liver function and reverses fatty liver. Herbalife is not in physician desk referral. This is in physician desk referral. Herbalife is not supported by any clinical research or validation studies. This is has all the peer-reviewed research and clinical validation studies. Herbalife contains heavy metals shown by the research itself, and products, uh, and in previous system, the products are purified through a patented process, five-step patented process. So this is the fertile output for India. And these are the products you could either consume Unimate as a individual, which increases your skeletal muscle performance by about 30 percent, or you can just consume balance, which is the fiber, or you can combine the two and make it a fuel resistant for your patients. Thank you. And and lastly, this is the book which is on Amazon. Just in case if you would like to read and go through it, it's right there. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. for enlightening on